Hey, hello everyone. So today we're gonna have a part 2 of our project for IMDB project. There today what we're gonna have is we will create a navigation part or a classic router class, which is to be a generic so that it will help us to navigate amongst the views. We will create a navigation view today, and this will be the part 2. And I hope you like the part 1 where I told and I explained how to design a network manager for it. And if you like my work or my videos, I request you to please support me, do subscribe my channel and support me as much as you can. And without any delay, let's get started. First of all, if you didn't watch my previous part for network designing, then you should go and watch that. And if you already watched that, then let's get started. And it is a series of videos in which we will come and we will design the entire app for IMDb. And we will show how it actually works. Logins, web data and everything will be there in this project. So let's get started. So in common, I will have another folder. This is, we can make it as router class. Now we will have a command N. To be our generic router, and we'll create a class. Now we will have combine import SwiftUI we required for network paths. Now we will have enum for the views which we have in our app. So we have proper a number of enums for the enum cases for the views which we are having in our app. So let's define those views. So we will have a enum of TMDB view screen that should be of hashable, and this is home. In upcoming videos, what the amount of views you are adding, we will add the cases for it, and we will create cases for the added views in our app. Now what we have to do is we have to have a class which will be final class generic router. Okay, but that generic router should conform to what it should be of route. And this route should be of what? Hashable, of our enum, which support our enum. Okay, so enum so it should be of hashable. And that's it. Now we will have our publisher. You can have observable object or at the rate observable. It's up to you how you wanna assign it. If you make at the rate observable, then no need to define it with published at the rate publish and all. If you want to know what is the basic difference between at the rate observable and the observable, I had created a small video. It is there in my channel, and you can go and check the basic difference between two. How after iOS 17 plus versions, Apple supported at the rate observable, and how it is beneficial as compared to observable object. So you can go and watch that video. It will help you to understand the basic difference between two. Now we will have a path. The path should be of navigation path, conforming to that, and then private set that should be of where you will understand why I created a stack for it here. And basically it will have the track of the views which we are adding to the screen. Means if I'm navigating from one screen to another screen, so basically our path will have work like a stack. So one screen will come and overlay to the another, and like that, and it will maintain a stack. So we also created a variable as stack, so that when we are removing those screens, we are going back, then it will help us out for, like, you wanna pop some screens to reach to the home screen or either to the particular screen, then you can track that on the to that particular screen with the help of stack. So let's have our first function. First function as navigation. Okay, navigation, that's fine, it's correct. It will confirm to route, and first we will add our new screen which you gonna navigate to our our path and our stack. So stack, it will add in stack and path. Basically path is also doing the same work of that stack, but you will find the basic difference why we are maintaining another stack to you can say to why the main question is why we are maintaining that stack, which comes under your mind or everyone's mind, is when we are popping the screen out, coming back to the not home screen to the particular screen. If you are going from one screen to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, and now from 5 you have to come to 3, then this stack main picture will come, stack will come under picture, how to track down and go back to the second screen from fifth screen. So first we will go back to home, so we will have a function func go back. Okay, back. Fine. Now after that we are having guard. Our path shouldn't be empty, right? Means path dot is empty. If it is empty means already we are there in every screen which is there in our stack. The main path navigation part is already been removed. So we are at the very core or at the very base screen of our app. That is our home screen. In this case, if it is empty, then else, yeah, return. Then nothing we have to do. We have to just do path dot remove last and stack dot remove last. We are just going one screen back from the the previous screen. Means if I'm currently in screen 5 and I want to go back to screen 4, then I will directly use this go back function and access it, and I will go from on the click of button I will add it and I will go back to the previous screen. Now reset. Now I have to go to the very base screen from the first. If I have some cross button which helps me to navigate to the very core of the first screen, then I will use this, and I will empty my entire stack here. Now there is a case when I want to go from screen 5 to 3 or any given screen. When you want to go to the particular screen, there we will use this stack. We will have func as screen change, and there we will pass our case. After passing the case, first we will find the index of that screen. So guard yeah, that's correct. Soon I find the index of that screen. Now I will create a new path. This is also correct. This is one of the approach, or you can have it in a different way, or means these suggestions are also fine, but keep path / stack only up to the target screen. Okay, so what we will do, we will create another let with new stack, which is an array of stack, and with the prefix, and in this prefix we will have index. So it will have till that index value +1. Okay, and stack. Now I updated my stack with the new stack, which is having only that value. It is having the value in till the target value, which is, suppose that if I want to go to second screen, so it will have 0 and 1 screen, means base screen and the first screen, and I updated that, and then I will add it in my path also. So what I'll do is like var new path will have navigation path, and from there new stack will append all the value to that path, each value for each, and here we will do what, we will just add new path dot append each value. Okay, and then from there we will update our path also. Path equals to new path. Now our path will be updated, and yeah, these are, now we will use this class when we will create a view, and then we will use this function to navigate in between the views. So in next video I will show you how to add it in the views, and I will try to make videos a bit smaller as to make as much as interesting, and in terms of people used to avoid to have large videos. What I felt when I was creating everything in a one video, and I felt like it is bit it is not making that much of interest to folks. So I will try to make video more informative and as short as possible, and we will complete this project in 5 to 6 videos. We will make the entire project. So till then, thanks to be with me. If you can help me, you can help me by subscribing me or giving me a thumbs up or like, and till then, stay safe, stay happy, and love coding. Bye.